yummy meal time. Yummy, 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 yummy meal time. Yummy, 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 yummy.
Welcome to our kitchen, where every dish tells a story. Today, we embark on a culinary journey, preparing 5 new appetizers that promise to be the highlight of your next potluck. Our first stop, slow-cooked, tender pulled pork, ready to be nestled into soft brioche buns. A tangy coleslaw adds the perfect crunch. Next, we delve into the flaky layers of our spinach and feta puffs, where every bite is a blend of rich flavors and textures. Then, we assemble our Asian chicken lettuce wraps, a refreshing medley of marinated chicken and crisp vegetables, wrapped in tender lettuce leaves. Our kitchen fills with the aroma of cheesy garlic breadsticks, golden and ready for sharing. A side of marinara sauce awaits its dipping companions. We turn to a sophisticated classic, smoked salmon cucumber bites, adorned with cream cheese and dill, promising a refreshing start to any meal. Each dish we prepare is a testament to the love and care that goes into home-cooked excellence, bringing flavors and friends together. A final drizzle of sweet and spicy sauce completes our Asian chicken lettuce wraps, each drop enhancing the dish with bold flavors. Our cheesy garlic breadsticks emerge from the oven, ready to be the centerpiece of connection and conversation at any table. As our culinary journey comes to a close, friends and family gather around the table, raising glasses in a toast to the joy of shared meals and moments. Each dish, each flavor, and each story shared today captures the essence of what makes potluck gatherings so special. Thank you for joining us on this delicious adventure.